Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel. Today we're gonna see how to make $1,000 per month by just simply downloading Google Photos. Watch till end and find out what it is. Welcome back, guys, and in this video we're gonna see how you can make $1,000 or even more than that by just simply downloading Google Photos. I show how you can make money by just simply downloading Google Photos. So watch till end and find out what it is. The first website or the website we're gonna use to make $1,000 or even more than that simply by just uploading and downloading Google Photos. Show you how it's work and how you can make some good amount of money. Website, like I said before, is clickersnap.com. With this website, using this website, we can make some $1,000 or even more than that per month, and some people are making even more than that, guys. I show the example. This is the example. People are making some good amount of money, and let me explain how it's work. Just click it's how it's work, and we're gonna see how it's work. And this is make money when your photo viewed. Something similar to YouTube. Once your video viewed, you get paid. In this ClickSnap website, once you get photo viewed, you can get paid. ClickSnap is the only platform in the world where you can get paid when your photo viewed. Plus, it's free to sign up. You get 25 cents per photo view. You can easily make some good amount of money, and $15 a minimum payout, and over millions of views per month. You can easily get some 100,000 views by just simply in millions of views, because there is not a lot of member, because this is a newbie website, because this is the newly innovated website. So there is not lots of competition. It's a blue ocean. You can easily dive into this ocean and make some good amount of money with this. Simple as you think, easily you can make some good amount of money with this. And the other one is called upload a photo and use the viewer photo, and you can get paid. Simple way to you can make money, and how you can easily get your photo without any copyrighted issue. So watch and I show you. You can easily get your photo without any copyrighted issue. And this is the comparison. Some of the comparison. This is the comparison. Click a snap, view bug, Fi Infinity Flickr. Come out to this and you can easily get what it is. This is, and I show some of the frequently asked question, because there is a lots of question among the peoples. This is a scam website or not something. Is it available worldwide or not? I show you. I tell you, this is it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from or where you've been. It doesn't matter. You can easily sign up where you're from, and let's see what it is and how you can make money. The first one, is there any minimum payment for photo sale? No. Voiceless, there is a 25 minimum limit for your revenue. You can get $25. You can get money when you get $25. This is the minimum threshold. And can I add a text? Some people, excluding watermark, only pro sellers account may have a photo with text. You can easily sell this photo to this. Click a marketplace. It's automatically take you to this marketplace. You can easily sell this image to your marketplace. This is the marketplace. There's almost 2.4 million photos. You can easily buy and you can easily get your paid. This is how it's work. Click explore. Just click nature. You can easily get viewed some of a photo and you can get paid. So simple as you think, and I show how you can get your photo freely without any copyright issue. Just to download it and upload it. This is the photo library, guys. It's still loading. This is a simple, just a click explore and you can get paid. And come out to this website once, click snap.com and click sign in. So automatically take you to this sign in page, and you can easily put your email, username, password and confirm password, or you can sign with Facebook or Google or Twitter, or create an account. Click this I agree and click create an account. You can easily create an account. Once you create an account and upload your photo, I show you how you can upload your photo. So the first method you can use to upload a photo is come out to Google and type whatever image or whatever niche you want to. For the sake of video, I typed mountains. You can do oceans, or you can do trees, or you can do some of nature thing, anything, dogs or cats. It doesn't matter. You can do anything whatever you want to do. Simple. For the sake of video, like I said before, I just take mountain and click images, and this there is people making some mistake. This is the newbie mistake. Come out to this and just they download it without any hesitation. You can do that, because some of the picture contain copyrighted issue. So I show you some of a trick how you can make some image without any copyright issue. Come out to this tool option, click tools and click usage right, and choose Creative Commons license, because Creative Commons license is allow you to upload your photo or use in any commercial work without any attribution or without any issue. It's a simple and free way to you can copy other people's work, and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. And this is the website. You can just download whatever you want to do. Just click this one and click on save images. It's as simple as you think, guys. Just click on save images, click save. You can get paid, and you can upload this image to clickersnap.com and you can get paid easily. And I show another website. It's a simple website. It's a stock free website, and you can get your images, or you can get your images on this website. I show the website, guys. The website is called Pixabay. This is a free royalty free website. You can get anything, any images. This website has over 1.8 million images. You can easily upload. And in their website is only downside. You can upload only 7 photos per day, per week. That means 1 photos per day. You can only upload 1 photo per day. This is only one downside, but you can upload more than 30 photos in month. It's automatically take you to this $50 or $10 or $1,000. It depends on you. It's gradually grows. It's a compound effect. If you have lots of photo, you get lots of money. Simple thing. If you have lots of photo, you can make lots of money. This is the website, and another website I show you. This also free, royalty free, Unsplash. This is also royalty free website. You can easily download image from this and upload to this Clickersnap. And this is all about video, how you can make $1,000 or even more than that by just simply downloading Google Photos. Or you can easily just download a photos from Pixabay or Unsplash or any other royalty free website. It's a simple easy way to make money. Just download and upload. It's a simple way. Okay guys, I hope this video helps you a lot to make some money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and feel free to comment below, guys. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.